Hi everyone. Bit of a festive pickup this one. Well, you know, it's something I picked up in the sales just a couple of days ago. Hope everyone had a good Christmas and New Year. Just sat in the conservatory here. So yeah, bit of a change of scenery. Nice and frosty out there on the grass, but anyway. Let's have a look in the box. This is the Powerphase OG. It's a bit like it's a late 80s fitness shoe, sort of Adidas's response to the Reebok Classic, and they've recently been reissued. So these were down to £40 in the sales, so I thought I'd pick them up. Quite nice, something different. Let's have a look at them. So you've got them in white, you can also get them in navy and burgundy and grey. And the white leather with gum, white leather with gum. As you can see, very similar to Reebok Classics. It was like I think they were called fitness shoes back in the late 80s, 88, 89, 90, when they were most popular. But yeah, I think they're quite nice. There we go, guys. It's the Adidas Powerphase in the OG. So yeah, that's it from me. Hope you have a great Christmas. Well, I hope you've had a great Christmas and you have a great New Year. See you later, guys. Have a good one.